every problem we're facing has layers to it. So we have to learn to identify each layer and then address the solution, bring the solution to each one of the layers. So when we began here by talking about communicating is managing your nervous system, right? It's like your body has to regulate. That's one level. And the second level is we have to regulate our emotions. We have to be able to articulate our emotions. In fact, I'm going to talk about that in just a second. Vocabulary. And we have to have the actual skill of communicating. And if we can't break down and address each of those levels and resolve each of those individually, then it feels like this giant overwhelming problem. So that's kind of the place to start.
Let me say this though, if any of you have a child that feels distant, or I'm sure every one of us will have that experience. If you're not having it now, you will have it, where you have a kid that just feels distant. At that point, what Rachel and I have always done was like, we would stop and say, okay, how can we rebuild the relationship? How can we start over? How can we make deposits into that relationship account? And it always started by just no strings attached. Let's just go do something fun together, something that they enjoy. Let's step into their world, something they want to do that we can enjoy and connect. And it just starts there. We don't have to like, oh, we're going to go have a fun date so I can give them that lecture I've been wanting to give them. Like, no, just go do something with them that they like and be sincere and like, hey, I seriously love that. That was awesome. Thank you.
And it's returning back to where you started this tonight, talking about truly caring.
Yeah.
When they know that we truly care without some sort of agenda, that's when they'll begin to start opening up. But they have to know that we actually care. And then, like we also started this meeting with, talking about mirroring listening. We have to model how to listen to them so they learn how to listen to us.